Kiran Bedi is one such woman. In 1972, she became the first Indian woman to join the Indian Police Service (IPS) as an officer. She born on 9 June 1949 in Amritsar. She is second of four daughters born to Premlata and Prakash Lal Peshawariya. She began her formal schooling in Sacred Heart Convent School, Amritsar. As an IPS officer, she served in a variety of roles including narcotics officer, anti-terrorist specialist and administrator. She earned particular recognition as Inspector General of Prisons in 1994. She is credited with the transformation of one of the toughest prisons of Asia, Tihar. She also addressed corruption and human rights violation. She founded two voluntary non-governmental organizations, Navjyoti in 1988 and India Vision Foundation in 1994, which provide primary education and adult literacy programs, vocational training, counseling training for women and drug rehabilitations for prisoners. She is the recipient of numerous awards in India and abroad and has also won several tennis championships. Mother Teresa was born on August 26, 1910 in Skopje, Macedonia, into an Albanian family. Little Angus knew that she wanted to be a missionary at the age of 12, named Teresa after Saint Teresa of Lisieux. She journeyed to Calcutta in 1929, leaving her family behind forever. She taught for 17 years as a nun but was deeply troubled by the poverty she saw around her. She obtained special permission from the Vatican to establish a new order of nuns called the Missionaries of Charity in 1950. The primary task of this order was to love and care for the people that nobody cared for. Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 1979 but declined the ceremonial banquet, asking that the $192,000 cost of the banquet be given to the poor. She was honored with the Bharat Ratna in 1980. She died on September 5, 1997, aged 87. She once said, to be able to love the poor, we must be poor ourselves. She was declared a saint of the Catholic Church on October 19, 2003 by Pope John Paul II. Indira Gandhi. Indira Priyadarshini Gandhi's whole life was spent on the forefront of history. Her grandfather Motilal Nehru and her father Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was also a prominent leader in a freedom movement, as well as India's first Prime Minister. Indira was born on November 19, 1917. She became the third Prime Minister of India on January 24, 1966. She went on to mark her tenure by strong leadership and a global presence. She launched a war against Pakistan in 1971 to liberate Bangladesh and won. She lost power in the 1977 elections but won a landslide majority in 1980. Her fight against terrorism in Punjab led to her untimely death on October 31, 1984, when her own bodyguard shot and killed her. At a speech at Bhubaneswar 2 days before she died, she said, "I spent the whole of my life in the service of my people. I shall continue to serve until my last breath, and when I die, I can say that every drop of my blood will invigorate India and strengthen it." Sania Mirza. Sania Mirza was born in Mumbai, Maharashtra on November 15, 1986 to sports journalist Imran Mirza and Naseema Mirza. Her family moved to Hyderabad shortly after Sania's birth. Sania began playing tennis at 6 and turned professional at 17. She went on to win 10 singles and 13 doubles titles as a junior player. Rani Lakshmibai. At the age of 14, Lakshmibai was married to Gangadhar Rao, the Raja of Jhansi. When Gangadhar Rao died, Lord Dalhousie, then Governor General, ordered the Rani to hand over the state to the British. "I will not give my Jhansi," said Lakshmibai. Jhansi witnessed an uprising against the British on June 5, 1857. However, the British forces led by Sir Hugh Rose laid siege to Jhansi. The Rani defended Jhansi with all her might, but the British broke through. She escaped with a band of soldiers and joined other revolutionary leaders at Kalpi. They took Gwalior at the Rani Fort in a man's dress at the head of 50 horsemen. She died heroically while defending Gwalior against the British. Thank you and have a nice day. Please like, share and subscribe